Hello, my name is Terence. I'm the remote rescue administrator of ACN Ambulance. What I do is I'm the one who works with the members or the clients that come in that want to sign up to our membership package for the helicopter road ambulance and air ambulance for all emergency evacuation throughout the country. I love this part because I get to interact with a lot of clients, I get to meet up with them, I get to chat with them, and I get to give them a service that they love, and I get to put a smile on their faces.
Hello, I'm Janelle. I'm an emergency medical dispatcher. I'm the first person you speak to when you want an ambulance. I deal with emergency and non-emergency calls. I deal with international clients and local clients as well. I communicate via email, telephones, messaging, and WhatsApp. I also give out medical advice to clients over the phone when they are waiting for the ambulance. So if you need an ambulance, just call ACE and we are happy to assist.
My name is Sibo Moyo and I'm a flight nurse at ACE. We basically do flights for Southern region mainly, and most of our calls are Zimbabwe to Johannesburg. And the main part of the job really is peri-flight nursing, where we are looking at caring for the patients before the flight, caring for the patient intra-flight, and also post-flight.
My name's Keegan. I'm a medic here at ACE. My role is basically just to be on rapid response 24/7. This involves me getting to an accident scene as quickly as possible, mainly getting there before the ambulance to initially assess the scene and stabilize the patients while the ambulance gets there with all the main equipment, or I'm there to even back up the ambulance if need be. So our response car is equipped with everything we need to stabilize equipment, such as emergency drugs, splints, all of our trauma bags, airway bags, etc.
Hi, my name is Tenem Tandwa. I'm an EMT. My duty is to stabilize patients, taking care of ambulance equipment and using the equipment in the ambulance, taking care of patients.
My name is Brito. I'm the Chief Training Instructor at ACE Training Academy. Our goals is to impact emergency knowledge to the community around us and across the country in Zimbabwe. We cover a lot of international accredited courses from aviation medicine to sports medicine. We do also train our internal staff just to equip them each and every time they respond to emergency calls. Up to date, we've trained more than 6,000 participants. That includes individuals, corporates, and institutions.
Hi, my name is Harman van Tonder. I'm from ACE Air and Ambulance. I'm a helicopter pilot for them. We do air evacuations, medical emergencies all around the country in Zimbabwe. We operate a Bell 206 helicopter, Long Ranger, and we are able to fly all around this country to help and evacuate any passengers or patients that need quick response. In an emergency situation, our aim is to activate in 15 minutes so that we can get airborne and get to the patient as soon as possible. We have 2 crew on board, medical nurses, that will assist the patient once we get landed there, and so that we can get back to the hospital that the patient needs to go.